The passing on of the controversial critic waPresident Emmerson Mnangagwa Blessed Lunes Ugeza panguva inoi zvorwadza veruzhinji. Panguva inoi, as we are seeing, could people panguva inoi they are offering tribute to Bombshell Blessed Geza. Nzanamira mashoko muda panguva ino yasoonekwa kunzi Geza kunyange zvazvo kuchionekwa kunzi issue yake iri controversial and people they are worried havasinaziva kuti achapiwa the national hero status here or not, but panguva inoi people they are very saddened. Don't forget to subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Tipinda munhawo toenda muzimu aiva mudanyira chiti tribute to Comrade Blessed Bombshell Geza. The people of Mashonaland West and the nation at large, we mourn the loss of a gallant son of the soil, Comrade Blessed Geza. Your departure from this world has left us with heavy hearts, and we are pained to learn that you are no longer with us physically. However, we will always remember the journey you walked from the liberation struggle to your last breath. We thought we would be together in Zimbabwe, the land we all cherish, a land of milk and honey. Your efforts towards fighting corruption will not go unnoticed. The struggle will continue with all those who believe in a better Zimbabwe. Comrade Geza, you have left an indelible mark in our hearts, and no one can fulfill the gap you have left. You are a unique freedom fighter who sacrificed your life to free Zimbabwe from its oppressors, and your intention was to see every Zimbabwean have a better life. Indeed, you are a true national hero in the hearts and minds of every Zimbabwean and beyond the region. Go well, our comrade, and you shall forever be remembered. Go well, Ambakahle, son of the soil. Thomas Karumdai toko panguva ino nezim ai panguva ino ichioffer a tribute aiwa to the Geza family. Mashoko anomuda panguva ino inoka kunzi aiwa nyika yose yarasikirwa. Pinda mucomment section medu mudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Kusangana subscribe or like pamwe chete nokutina on the bell icon.